Okay, if any of them die, that they know what to do. That is to tell you that is criminalism. And that is a criminal offense. So that division in Imo State, starting from, because Hope Uzodinma is aware. He's aware. He will not say that he is not aware. Hope Uzodinma, you are the problem of Imo State. You collide with these criminal uniform men to do criminalism in Imo State. Enough of this rubbish. You say they die, you know what to do. That have been the system. That's why in Imo State, all this nonsense is going on there. All this nonsense is going on. You are busy wasting people's life anyhow. The other day, I heard in the news that soldiers lost their life. You arrest somebody. Let me use the word arrest. You did not give the person access to the family, friends, even the lawyer, even the producer, to confirm what he is presenting before you. You do not allow him to make such contacts. You deny him every access of his right. You see, in Nigeria, they will deny you your right because they are using uniform. It is high time everybody hold gun. Honestly, this kind of set of people, if they do anyhow, they collect.
In Imo State, and he has called on Uzodinma, the IG of police, to do something about it. That so many people that they don't even know what they do, they just carry them, capture them, you know, no even food, no water, nothing. They cannot even speak to their family. Some have there over 2 weeks and not even talking to their family. Is this not illegal? Is this not illegal? Arresting people, you know, unjustly.
One of the things that we, the Biafrans, have been complaining. These are one of the things that cannot take place. We will not allow, by the grace of God, to take place, to happen in a Biafra land. Are you getting it? You know, it's good as it happened to this young man. What happened to him? I am happy. Oh boy, I am happy that it happens to you. And I am happy that your family are hearing it. I am happy that you are mentioning that black man. And I'm happy that you are mentioning so many things. And I'm glory be to God that it happens to you. I love that. Why I say this is this. It is no longer the voice of the Biafrans. Maybe they say IPOB are criticizing Nigerian government or criticizing Hope Uzodinma or Biafra. Now it is you. Now it has happened. That means what the IPOB have been saying about Hope Uzodinma is true. That means Hope have organized some set of people, name them criminal, drug, whatsoever, in Imo State and give them an office to be kidnapping people. Because this act is an act of kidnapping. Hope have been using them. Who know how many people that they have kidnapped? You know how many people that they have lost their families, they have lost their life. Look at this very young man, what he stated. Look at what happened. Illegal duties by Nigerian so-called Nigerian police officers and whatsoever in Imo State. In Imo State, look at the atrocity. Imo State, look at the atrocity that is going on in Imo State. Imo State. And Hope Uzodinma is there. He is aware of all this criminalism. You said what? He said what? In Imo State, Nigerian police, look at what you are doing. We hope you say that he's not aware. Is it not Hope that gave them the office? Is it not Hope that is the governor of the state? What is he doing? He's doing nothing, rather kidnapping innocent souls in the name of arrest with the Nigerian uniform. And that is why we say, we the Biafrans say, we cannot be part of this criminalism that is going on in this country called Nigeria. We want to separate, we want to be on our own. Because in our land, it will not happen. In our place, in Biafra, it will not take place. Enough of this nonsense. Because we are going to stop all this rubbish act from Nigerian police. We are going to stop this stupid kidnapping system of Nigerian police. Because we are going to stop this mental madness from Nigerian police in Biafra land. Not just only in Imo State, in Biafra land. How can somebody explain with the ID card, what do you have to do? Must you mix him up with a criminal? No, you don't have to do that. What you need to do is to do verification. That is why you are an officer. You do verification to confirm if what the person is saying, what he presented himself to be, if that is what it actually is. Before you carry your illegal activities against him. Even on the note that you said, you open your mouth and tell the person that since you're a press man, now very soon now he will start to video you. You don't want the guy to video you or to record anything about you people. That means you know that you are doing illegal duty. Why? And you are wearing uniform. All these things will not take place in Biafra land. We will remove your uniform. You cannot wear it in Biafra. That is why I love this young man. That is why I say I love what happened to you. You are now the voice of the voiceless in the prison there. In the cell there. You say there are many people that are inside there that don't have voice. Now you are now their voice. It's good as it happened. That's why I say it's good as it happened to you. You have become their voice, the voice of the voiceless. So that their families should go there. Many families should go there and checkmate their lost children. They have been looking for so many years. Only God knows how many and how long they have been polishing. I don't know. Are they using those people for rituals? I want to know. I am asking. Because you cannot kidnap somebody and you did not give access to the family, you did not give access to the friend, you did not give access to anything, and you and you are happy staying with that person. You are happy keeping that person. Nobody is coming to check on them, not to think of spending money to bring the person out to ask or to feed, and you are not even at the same time feeding them. What is the real purpose of doing this? Of doing this wickedness to a human being like you? No, let's assume your children is being treated like that. Will you be happy? Let's assume your very self, the police people that behave like this. What if you are being treated? How will you feel? No, let us be considerate in things we are doing as a human. As a human. When you check somebody, that is your duty to check somebody, you stop somebody, you search somebody. If there is any illegality found in that person and the person said, this is whom I am, then you do your verification. You must not tag him illegal this on his name to tarnish his image. It's not proper. It's not proper. And it doesn't supposed to be. It's abnormal. Please, Nigerian police, please, please, have a good reputation before the citizen you stand to defend. Have a good reputation. Every time you say police is your friend, what makes me to believe that true police is my friend with this act? With this kind of attitude of yours? How can I trust Nigerian police, with especially that they are black and black uniform? How can I believe in that? How can I trust them with this stupid act? Because it's uncalled for. This act is uncalled for. It's very, very bad and very, very wrong. When somebody introduces himself, do your verification. Find out if that person is really what he presents you to be. Then, and if the person is, then free him or her to me. That is criminalism. Because you arrest somebody, let me use the word arrest. You did not give the person access to the family, friends, even the lawyer, even the producer, to confirm what he is presenting before you. You do not allow him to make such contacts. You deny him every access of his right. You see, in Nigeria, they will deny you your right because they are using uniform. It is high time everybody hold gun. Honestly, this kind of set of people, if they do anyhow, they collect. They deserve to collect anyhow. Enough. This intimidation is getting out of hand. What stops you? Okay, hello, Mr. Man, you are a press man. Yes, you are going to ask him. Okay, and I caught you with so and so, and you know it's illegal. This that okay. This are you so and so? Do you know so and so? See what happened. Or you come and meet us in so and so station. That is how it's being done in order. Go and Go to Ghana. Let me not mention Obodo Igbo. Go to Ghana here. Go to other places within Africa here. Go to South Africa. Travel. Nigerian police, travel and learn. Travel and learn. That is how they handle issues. When you verify the person, checkmate the person, and find out that, this is whom the person is, you let the person go. You let that person go. But because of you, how you go to the point of demanding 1.5 million from the person. For what now? Should be they say bailing is free. If you have found out that the person is innocent, is pure, why are you still demanding 1.5 million? Where do you want him to bring the 1.5 million and give to you? How much is the salary of the young man? And how much is in his account?
That is for business.
That is for business. Definitely the uniform black and black have turned to business in Nigeria.
Although the guy said if they die, the police said if his team, if any of them die, that they know what to do.
Okay, if any of them die, that they know what to do. That is to tell you that is criminalism. And that is a criminal offense. So that division in Imo State, starting from, because Hope Uzodinma is aware. He's aware. He will not say that he is not aware. Hope Uzodinma, you are the problem of Imo State. You collide with these criminal uniform men to do criminalism in Imo State. Enough of this rubbish. You say they die, you know what to do. That will be the system. That's why in Imo State, all this nonsense is going on there. All this nonsense is going on. You are busy wasting people's life anyhow. The other day, I heard in the news that soldiers lost their life. The people that are meant to defend the nation, look at the way they die like chicken and fowl because of your selfish interest to hope. I don't know why Nigerian armies are still having time to even have time for somebody like you in the name of security, securing you. If I happen to be in that uniform, if you send me, I'm not going, send your son. Yes, send your son. Because it's abnormal. It's abnormal. It's abnormal. You know what to do, the right thing to do. You refuse. You don't want to do it. Because your own children is in overseas. Having a good education, having a better lifetime, having a better thing for their own better future. Then in this place, you feed all these ones are animal. Just as your wife get belle, you give your wife for belle. As she carry her 9 months, now so they carry these ones. So Hope Uzodinma, respect yourself. You people should do something. Do something and let that nonsense in that division stop in Imo State. Enough of that rubbish. Enough is enough. We can't continue with that mess. And those ones that are still there, that don't have a voice, these guys have become their voice. It is time, high time, to release them, to free them.
Okay, should the IG not be looking at because the guy is specially called on the IG Uzodinma, the very dark man, to look into this case. Should the IG now not look into that particular police station case?
The IG is in Abuja. The IG is not the commissioner, the DPO, or the commander of that division, of that place. Are you getting it? But Hope Uzodinma is the governor of the state, #1 citizen of that very state. So it's hope that should be held accountable for all this. Then an IG case, because it is a police case, then an IG should instruct them. Are you getting it? I could remember that was back in the years, many years ago, that early 2000, around 2004, thereabout. I was raided here. Are you getting it? I went to meet a friend. He's a retired Air Force commandant. Atolani Kwekude, he's a Benin manager. On my way coming out, they raided me and they joined me together. That was then. Join me together. I said, what for? You understand? So it's not today that Nigerian police have been doing that. Are you getting it? You know, thank God for the NSAS. You know how many people that SARS people have assassinated unjustly and uncalled for. So all these things should be seriously, IG should seriously look into it, except if the IG is in collaboration with what is happening. That is the only thing that will make IG not to take this case serious. Because to me, I believe that the IG is not aware because it's not in Imo State. But I believe now that he's aware, hearing the voice of that young man and my own voice as too, I know you, IG, I know you will do something. I believe that you will do something. But if you didn't do that, means you are a perpetrator of evil. But I'm not seeing it in your face. Please, let me not see it in your action. God bless you.
The North is pretending over reality. And because of the pretense of the northern part of the country, that is the reason why the Biafra restoration is taking place. You can't tell me you're a northerner and you're the one who decide what happened in Nigeria. You control the Senate with fake numbers and fake constituencies. The Biafran flag is flying, the spirit is flowing, everywhere is possessed. I told you that one day Nigerians will become Biafra. Nigerians, I think it was on this channel I said it, you know, that one day Nigerians themselves will become Biafra. The signal that is coming from, you know, the antenna from the satellite is telling you we should start preparing for the day is what? Coming. And the day is coming. What does that mean? It's trying to tell you that the D-Day is coming. What does it mean? When you look at the cloud, the atmosphere, you foresee, oh, it's going to be sunny today, it's going to be rainy today. You were able to project or to say or to you know, forecast that this is likely what is going to happen, or this is like what is going to happen. The North is pretending over reality, and because of the pretense of the northern part of the country, that is the reason why the Biafra restoration is taking place. The North refuse to realize the truth. The political North refuse to understand that what it takes to be a Nigerian does not end in the northern part of the country. Everybody is involved. You can't tell me you're a northerner and you're the one who decide what happened in Nigeria. You control the Senate with fake numbers and fake constituencies. And you think other people are fools. Well, if they have realized that, thank God, they said they will not allow regionalism. Well, it will have been a stepping stone to push further. They will not allow restructuring. It will have been a stepping stone to push further. But now, after all said and done, they came out and said, it is high time we share this common truth. And what is the common truth? Nigeria cannot survive the Biafran agitation. I repeat, Nigeria will not survive Biafran agitation. I should repeat, Nigeria will not survive Biafra agitation.
Why do you say so?
It has come to be. It took them time. There were so many options that was laid on the table. Please let me remind you, you do not push a man unnecessarily to the wall and expect the man to bow his head in shame. No matter how stupid that man is, one day a day will come where his head will rise. They have pushed Igbo to a particular, the option of national negotiation and unity was supposed to take place in 2023 presidential election. But unfortunately, the Yoruba man became a problem by coming out to steal, cunningly take what belongs to Igbo man, and they are looking at that Igbo men should come out and put up a fight. No, cool down. They are watching. Have Yorubas never failed? Has Tinubu government not failed woefully? Has it not become an embarrassment to the whole world? Well, let me tell you, I said it severally. Anybody that is carrying injustice must face injustice. What they are doing to nnamdikanu is injustice. The consequences of that, what they are doing to nnamdikanu, is breakup. So some elites from the north who are learned, who are well civilized, who are educated, who are open-minded, who are truthful, who are sincere, has come out to tell them that prepare, balkanization is coming. How is it going to come? They already foresaw it. The present generation of the victims of 1976 the children of the oppressed has risen and are asking questions. Nigeria could not even provide the answer, even when there was dialogue. They could not still come and say, come, like what God said, come, let us reason together. They could not even say it. They were pretending. Everybody was just pretending because the crude oil, the resources, the North is not contributing anything. The North has 419 local governments. The South have 375 local governments. The Northwest, the Northeast, the North Central, all of them are in the Senate. They do not contribute 0.0% in the national resource income of this country. In the revenue of this country, they don't contribute anything. Still, they take 58% of national income. Bros, who takes that? The Yorubas are the ones causing this problem. They are the ones taking the shit. They are the ones neutralizing their political structure in the Southwest. They are the ones the Northerners are using to destroy the concept that bound the Northern and Southern Protectorate under Lord Lugard. We must understand that is the truth. Today they came out and said they are going to in London to tender a document. They want their own separate nation. Are you not seeing the twist in it? No, read the twist in it. Maybe you understand the consequences of that transformation is not what they are actually pushing for. The North is prepared. They have enjoyed crude oil wealth, built their roads, developed the North, did all manner of things, transferred the whole wealth to the North and the Southwest. There is no federal government infrastructure. The Igbos are struggling in hunger. The Igbos are struggling to survive. The Igbos have been struggling immediately after the war with just 20 pounds. No Igbo presidency, no Igbo chief of staff, no Igbo anything. Don't give them, don't give them a support. But have you seen that kind of wickedness anywhere in the world? Then they are prepared now, and they are calling the consequences, and they are calling the shot. They are saying to hell. Abi, very clearly, they are not hiding it. Even your child that you have in your house, you don't beat your child anyhow, he will react. The Northerners are reacting to corrupt activities and consequences of Nigerian leadership. That's why they told you that Nigeria is about to do what? Break up. How do you break up? Because somebody has risen. Somebody has alerted the world. Let me use this opportunity to talk to Antonio Guterres himself, the Secretary General of the United Nations. I pray that you understand very clearly on the need for us to move from where we are now to another point. And what to the another point is to embrace civility, is to embrace humanity, is to create another atmosphere where the world will understand the need of globalization, the need for peace, the need for sustainability, the need to avoid conflict, the need to attend to conflict resolutions. But these are the things that the reason why the United Nations was established. Antonio Guterres, you are quiet. A British citizen, nnamdikanu, is there. The UN is not saying anything. Human rights abuse everywhere. The Igbos are being killed by Nigerian military in the east. The United Nations is not saying anything. There's so much crisis everywhere. United Nations is not saying anything. Why is it that Antonio Guterres is not active? Is the United Nations being run by extremists? Why are you seeing this kind of... Okay, you want us to get to a point that they will start using gun. Then you start sending United Nations peacekeeping force. Is that what you are looking for? Why not at this point, it has not escalated, be able to come in and able to address this issue once and for all? That is the reason why we have United Nations. But thank God that if there is no way, the God of heaven and earth will make a way. They thought that Biafra will not succeed. But you can see the success so far recorded globally. Solidarity is coming. Embassies are beginning to shut down in Nigeria because they are having a check. They're having an integration, a brief of what is going to come at the end of the day. And that is why, if all these things are happening, the Northerners are saying, even the Northern governors, the Boko Haram has taken most of the part in the North. They are controlling the market. They are controlling states now. They are controlling local government in the North. Are the governors, Northern governors, are they not there? But they are looking the right way because what they want is to dip their tunnel inside the crude and be smiling to the bank at the detriment of the Niger Delta people. That is the reason why Biafra agitation that has become a spirit will never and can never be put backward. They are moving forward. They are going forward. They are advancing. They are getting to places. They are alerting the world, and the world is taking note. And based on those intelligence reports, that's why you saw the Northerners are beginning to see, where do we go? Even though from behind they wish it never happened, so that the Igbo man will continue to suffer, to breathe and feed Boko Haram for them. That will never happen again. What is their contribution? Nothing. Igbo man works every 24 hours every day, do all manner of things, and because you're a Northerner, you do not have anything to offer, you're not bringing anything to the table, then Nigeria should continue to exist. Let these people be careful. It's too much. So you're encouraging Nigeria to exist, continue to exist, because you sit down in your house, you on your AC, you cross your leg, and born 200 children at the same time. No problem. Because the woman is there as your slave, working out everything for you. Today, they are saying, enough! It's enough. Just like what Israel is doing today, what Israel is saying today, enough! It's enough. And they have told the United Nations, to take a particular stand, to define themselves properly, and know that at this point, that Israel as a nation is not backing down. It represents civility, it represents a free world, it represents another movement that will transform Middle East. And anybody that goes contrary to that will have his or herself become a serious threat to the global peace and sustainability of the entire world.